the best vitamin for liver repair. If you have a pot-shaped belly, a feeling of pain in the right shoulder after eating, or a swollen right foot, then you may have a type of liver damage. The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body, which performs over 500 different functions. Sometimes the liver can become clogged with fat, which leads to problems like swelling, inflammation, and becoming overweight. In more severe cases, you may notice yellowness of the skin and extreme itching. This type of damage is called fatty liver disease and can be treated by fixing your diet and loading up on a vitamin called choline. In today's video, we will be exploring the benefits of the choline vitamin to help repair the liver naturally. You will also learn about what caused the liver damage and the best supplements to heal the liver. Choline, what is it? Choline, also known as the secret nutrient, is an absolutely essential B vitamin for human health. This was only classified as a vitamin in 1998 as it was discovered to be an essential nutrient for supporting the liver, brain and cell structures in the body. It plays a vital role in helping the liver to function properly. Choline has a lipotropic effect, meaning that it helps the body to break down fats and strip away fat from the liver. This helps to reverse fatty liver disease and prevent the liver from getting clogged up with fatty deposits. Why is my liver full of fat? If you notice that you have a protruding belly or gut, then this is a positive indicator that you have a fatty liver. This is usually caused by eating too many refined carbohydrates, vegetable oils, starchy vegetables, or alcoholic drinks. Sugar is usually the main culprit and causes damage to the hepatic liver cells. The liver then struggles to digest and break down fat properly, causing it to become clogged up with fat. This fat often spills over into the internal organs, leading to visceral fat, weight gain and obesity. However, you don't have to be fat to have fatty liver disease. If you are concerned you have this disease, visit your doctor's surgery for a quick ultrasound. It is very easy to pick up. How to reverse fatty liver disease? To reverse fatty liver disease, there are some key steps you need to follow in order to allow your liver to heal. 1. Stop consuming refined foods, vegetable oils, sugar and alcohol. These damage the liver and will prevent your liver from healing and detoxifying the body properly. 2. Start eating lots of foods rich in choline, including whole eggs, liver, offal and cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, kale and collard greens. 3. Take a choline supplement and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast daily. Choline works with other B vitamins in the nutritional yeast to help repair your liver and digest fats properly. Look for a supplement which contains phosphatidylcholine because this is best absorbed. 4. Eat sulphur-rich foods like garlic, onions, scallions, leeks, broccoli sprouts, turkey, eggs, beef, chicken, Brussels sprouts and red cabbage. The vegetables in particular are loaded with phytonutrients that help with stage 1 and stage 2 detoxification for better liver function. 5. Take a vitamin E supplement daily in the form of tocotrienols. This type of vitamin E helps to reverse scar tissue in the liver and other areas of the body. You can also get this from eating fish, nuts and eggs. By following these 5 key steps, your body will be supplied with the important nutrients that it needs to start repairing your liver and reversing fatty liver disease. Luckily, the liver is one of the only organs in the body that can completely repair itself. It is vital that you stop damaging your liver so that it may heal. Sugar, alcohol and flour should be removed from the diet in all forms. As you do this, you will begin to reach a healthy weight, swelling in the body will diminish, and you will have better concentration levels. The choline will also help your brain to make acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that calms your nerves, helps to dilate blood vessels, control the heart rate, and much more. Summary: choline, sulphur, and vitamin E are the key nutrients to focus on when it comes to repairing your liver. Choline is a part of the B vitamin complex, a group of nutrients which all work together in the body. Taking nutritional yeast alongside choline helps to regulate your metabolism for processing fat, carbs, and protein in order to heal the liver. If you wish to learn more about the best foods to detox your liver, please see a link to our previous video below. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.